Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing something really fun and colorful and I'm so here for it. I can't wait for you guys to see how it comes out. I've been having my artistic feels and just really letting the juices flow. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know if you are below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Oh, hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Alright beauties, let's get started on this look. I'm really excited. I'm doing a recreation, which my recreations are not exact. I like to do something similar, but it's from It's Kai Jasmine. She is so freaking gorgeous, and look at this. You guys see that? So beautiful, right? That is what we're going to be trying to recreate today. So hang on to your seats and let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and go into my base and tap down. And I'm going to blend this in now. For the eyes, I'm going to be using black owned businesses for this tutorial. Mostly black owned businesses. So this is from a black owned company here called Obaa, and it's Obaa. Look at how beautiful this little palette is, and the artwork is beautiful. And look at this. That is gorgeous. I'm so here for it. Look how beautiful and vibrant those colors are. We're going to be using those today to create this look. For my transitional shade in this palette, I'm going to use the orange. I'm just going to blend that. Wow, that was pretty pigmented. I didn't expect all that from that little tap. I literally barely tapped it. Okay. And I want it to be light, so I'm not going into it heavy because the matte colors are going to shine on the bottom. That is beautiful. This blended out so nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of pink in the front here. That is good, you guys. Now let's go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to use a little bit of baby oil and carve it out. Now we're gonna start. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go into some water activated liners. I got these from Lashing Out Glam. I'm so mad I didn't get the green. I'm about to actually do another order because I have to have green. But these are the ones that I have, and I'm going to apply these. So you get a cap of water like this, and then you swirl into the color that you want. We're gonna start off with the yellow. Now we're going to go into the orange. This orange is called Blaze. And now we're going to go into Gangsta. This is the pink one. Alright, and finally we're going to end putting on this Lashing Out Glam liner in Busted. Okay, so that is good right now. And now I'm going to cut the crease with the Rumor Zero, which is the white base. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and go into this palette again, and I think I'm going to start off with this color here. Next, I'm going to go into the pink. Ooh, that pink is beautiful. Then I'm going to go to green. Then into the blue. I'm going to go into a makeup wipe and wipe this. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and just do a liner. I'm going to do a black liner right here. I got this new white liner from the crayon case. I want to try it and see how then I can get the line. Alright, that looks good, y'all. Alright, this looks good, y'all. Okay. Very, very cute. I love how that came out with that white liner. Okay, this is good, y'all. So now let's go ahead and move on. And we're going to start with the face. And then we're going to start working with the rhinestones. I'm really happy with how this looks so far. Very, very pretty. So we're going to start off. Let's go ahead and moisturize. Prime. Really let that sit on those pores. Get it on the forehead. Right around the areas where there's really a lot of texture. Just really go over those areas. And then just pat this in and disperse it. Then we're going to go ahead and powder our face. This is the A Chalk Dust powder from the crayon case. Next, we're going to go ahead and start our foundation. I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty 370. And I'm going to go into my Obaa Beauty concealer. And I'm going to go into the Benin foundation from Juvia's Place. Okay, let's fill in this contour. Alright, let's set the face again with the letter A. Going under the eyes first. Now we're going to set the face. So I'm going to go into the old chalk dust powder. Perfect. Now we're going to contour using the contoursition notebook from the crayon case. Now we're going to go ahead and go into our base and put that at the bottom of the eye. So now we're going to start working on the under eye. I'm going to go in with this little pencil brush, and I'm going to start off with orange. Now we're going to go into this pink. Then we're going to go into this purple. First we're going to extend this. Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. Let's go ahead and work on these brows. Alright, now it's time to dust away this powder. Now I'm going to try and use these liners, and I'm actually going to line underneath this black line. Alright, so I wanted to do something that just popped right there, so I think that yellow is just going to make it pop, right? Right? Just add a little something different. I'm going to add a pink and blue into the waterline. So it is powder, and it's time to add the stones. Okay, so now we're going to start placing our stones, and I'm going to get my lash glue, and we're going to just start placing stones all around. So we'll start off on this side, and we're going to start off going from, let's start up around the brow. So I'm going to and I have a whole bunch of stones in here, so I'm just going to just pick different sizes. Alright, let's bronze up. Snatch this nose. For blush, I'm going out in with the Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And then I'm going to go into this highlighter here called Jimbalin. I'm going to go in first with the Gumbo from the crayon case. Now I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath lipstick, and this is in 424 Madame Grege. I'm going to gloss this up with Passion from Obaa Beauty. And to make it really, really glossy, I'm going to go in with Glass Slipper from Fenty Beauty. This looks so beautiful, you guys. Oh, I love it. I'm going to go ahead and get myself together, and I'll be back. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. I've been having so much fun letting the creative juices flow, and I hope you guys have been enjoying it too. Something fun and different that is a little outside the box, but it's still bomb. Let me know if you guys are feeling this look below. Don't forget to comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.